Draw a mushroom power-up from Super Mario. First, we'll start out with drawing a vertical line coming down here. And then we'll make a horizontal line in the middle. So basically we're just drawing a big X or a cross-like shape like this. This is just a guideline for the shape of the mushroom head. So what we're going to do is, using this guideline, just come over here and start drawing the top of the mushroom head. It's like a stretchy oval. Just bring it all the way around like this. And now from the bottom part of our X here will be the bottom of the mushroom face. So this is the chin area. We'll just curve it out up into the top of the head like this. And then the same thing on the other side, making sure that it's basically evenly spaced from both sides. And then from right here, we're just gonna arc across the head and wrap it around to the other side. Alright, so this is the basic shape. I'm gonna bring this part of the mushroom head up here, just behind the face a little bit. Just curve it out like this. We're just working the shape roughly, and later on I'll go over this on another layer and add the line work. So if you're drawing this on paper, you can trace over the drawing you're making right now with better line work later on, but we'll get to that in a second. Right now we're just getting the basic shape. Feel free to pause the video if you need to catch up. But basically this X here is to help us keep things proportional. So, you know, this top of the X, the bottom of the X. So keeping this guideline, this part of the X up here, we're gonna draw the first little polka dot on this mushroom head, which is basically just a circle. And it can start from the bottom of this part of the head. We'll just bring the circle around. And the top of this polka dot doesn't quite touch the top of the mushroom head, but it gets pretty close. And of course, this is the mushroom power-up that makes Mario get big. There's all sorts of other mushrooms power-ups, but the basic shape is basically the same on all of them. It's just this shape, but it's the polka dots and the color that change the effects. So now on this side, we'll draw another polka dot that just starts right here. It's about a third of the size, and it comes down below this horizontal line, wraps around. And then to the other side here, we'll match this exact same shape on this side. Just sketch it around like this. Alright, so here we have the basic shape of the mushroom. Just gonna push this top part out just a bit. Alright, now we gotta give him some eyes. So come back down here using this middle dividing line. We'll put one eye on this side. It's just a vertical oval. Comes up like this. And it's basically one eye length away from this middle line here. So for the other eye, we'll just imagine a middle eye here and start drawing our second eye right here. So it's spaced apart by about 2 eye widths. Alright, now what we're gonna do is add some highlights. And really that'll be the last thing for the design. So you can see this highlight starts right here. Alright, now we'll go over this in line work and color it. Be sure to like and subscribe if this video helped you, and let me know in the comments what I should draw next. You can also check out the Pokemon drawings, Kirby drawings, drawings of Batman, Sonic, Adventure Time, and others on my YouTube channel just by clicking on the channel name. And I will be back soon with some more drawings. Thanks for watching and subscribing.